Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to remove saved login info on Facebook. So let's get started. First things first, if you're currently logged into an account, you have to log out first. So let me go ahead and do that. And there we go. Now to remove an account, you have to first click the settings icon at the top right corner. Now select the account that you want to remove by clicking on it. Then click Remove Profile. Then Remove. And that's it. The account has been removed. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.